In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spellcheck not working in Outlook. If you've noticed missing red underlines or your messages are going out with typos, it's usually just a matter of making sure Outlook's proofing settings are turned on. These instructions apply to the Outlook desktop app on Windows. If you're using Outlook on the web, the layout will look different, so follow along in the desktop app for the best results. Start by opening Outlook. Once you're in your mailbox, go to the top left and click the File tab. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where you'll find account details and app-wide settings. On the left side, look toward the bottom and click Options. That opens the Outlook Options window, which controls how Outlook behaves across your messages, calendar, and more. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail from the list on the left. This focuses the settings specifically on composing, sending, and formatting emails. In the main mail pane, look for the section related to message composition and proofing. You'll see a button labeled Spelling and Autocorrect. Click that. This opens the Editor Options window, where Outlook and Word share many of the same proofing controls, so changes here directly affect how Spellcheck works while you write emails. In the Editor Options window, make sure two key options are enabled. First, turn on Check Spelling as you type. This is what shows those familiar red wavy underlines under misspelled words while you're composing a message. Without it, Outlook won't flag mistakes in real time. Second, enable Always Check Spelling before sending. With this turned on, Outlook runs a final spell check when you hit send and gives you a chance to correct anything you might have missed. Together, these options help you catch errors early and prevent typos from slipping out the door. If these boxes were already checked, uncheck and recheck them to refresh the setting, then proceed. Click OK to close the Editor Options window, and then click OK again to close Outlook Options. Your changes take effect immediately. As you draft your next email, you should see misspelled words underlined as you type, and if anything slips through, Outlook will prompt you before sending. That's all there is to it. By confirming these two settings, you restore the built-in spell check and add a helpful safety net before your messages go out.